With the elections nearing the home stretch, a few questions that have been rankling the whole of Garo Hills has sprung up once again. The issue in question is that of dual voters. The issue of duplicate voters or dual voters has been discussed time and again. Whether the problem can be solved by the implementation of the inner line permit or any other way is something that still remains. The whole of Meghalaya has debated about the issue that may somehow be a huge topic for voting in the coming days. A few residents of Fulbari in Meghalaya, which has borne the brunt of the issue, have spoken about the issue and how it affects them.
We are having this problem, isn't it? So most of the times, some civil society organization leaders, they approach our Meghalaya government regarding this influx and all. Mostly these influx issues. But most of the times, they have rejected their appeal that there is no problem, influx problem in Meghalaya. Since 1998, they encroach here and they're residing here. All these are the signs. We have a problem, influx problem. Isn't it? So most of the times, even though we raise these questions, they always try to cut the issues. They always try to divert the issues in a different way.
Francois C. Marak, the president of the GSU in Fulbari, had a similar kind of tale to talk about, as he said that situation has been arrived at after a lot of investigation by the team. They had in fact written to the Election Commission with the details, after which an investigation has been launched, although these results of the findings are still pending.
आदमी लोग के दुआल वोटर्स है जो इधर में फुलबारी एरिया में भी है और चिबनांग टू राजावाला दुआल वोटर्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल को दिया था सीएम को बाद में बोला हम लोग चेक करेगा और इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को भी दिया था वो लोग चेक करके बोल के और हम लोग को हेडक्वार्टर भी दिया था लोग बोला है अच्छा ठीक है हम लोग चेक करेंगे ऐसा बोल
डुअल वोटर्स तो अभी फिलहाल असम का जो लोग आ रहा है और लोग का डुअल वोटर है वो अभी भी आप लोग ये देख सकते हैं कि पोस्टरिंग मेघालय में असम का पोस्टरिंग हो रहा है उससे पता चलता है कि डुअल वोटर्स है और ये प्रॉब्लम मेनली गारो हिल्स के लिए है.
The issue has for long been a contentious one and would require a relook. Whether this will be done before, after or ever is still something a lot of interested parties are clueless about. With camera person Abhijit Sarkar, Biplab Kumar De for Frontier TV in Fulbari.